G'day YouTubers and welcome to my first video. I thought I'd show you this video just to show you another way to take the tumbler out from a Bmw E36 Coupe 93 model. Mine's a 93 model. And we're just introduction to what happened. The key, I couldn't turn the car. I couldn't start the car. All the electronic stuff inside the dash were on, but the car didn't start. When I reversed the key, I could have taken the key out, but the stereo was still on. So I thought maybe it's just the ignition barrel. So I went to the wrecker, asked for the barrel. This is what they gave me. It's part of the steering shaft. They told me to change the whole thing. I said, no way I'm gonna change that. I'm at work. The car was at work, so I had to. I had no tools there, so I had to just mess around with the tumbler. Hopefully that was the problem, but turns out it was actually the shaft. So as you can see, it's broken in two pieces. That's why it wasn't turning properly. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to take the tumbler out instead of having to use the bobby pin to slide through this hole here. You're going to use an hacksaw. It's an hacksaw blade, just a blade. So we're going to try and cut the back of the housing. As you can see in here, there's a groove here that actually locks in the pin on the tumbler. So what I try to do is, if you can see where that is, where that groove is, that's about from here, from the front of the spout housing to where I wanted to cut is probably about 8mm. That's less than 1 centimeter. 8mm. You don't want to cut it too far in or too deep, too far in or too close to the front. Otherwise, you're gonna miss that groove and you won't be able to see that locking pin. Anyway, here's the one on the car. See there, keys in there. I got it out already. I've cut it already, and I'm gonna show you the finished product. As you can see there, that's the cut. It's just a matter of sticking your hacksaw blade in here. Try to cut it. I'll show you how deep I went. Just be careful when you're cutting this. Don't stick your eyes underneath. Otherwise, just excess material just gonna fall into your eyes. You're gonna do damage to yourself. So cut about there. Let's try and cut it. Then have a look. Cut. Have a look. Cut. Have a look until you start to see like a dark area in the center. That's probably gonna tell you that it's already that you got to where you need to get. Then after that, you gotta turn the key. Is the tumbler to retract that lock button, the lock pin. There's a certain way that the key has to turn for it to activate for you to actually press that button. So you're gonna turn the key, you line it up the hole to just a little bit past that joint line on the housing there. So you see the hole there, joint hole. Pass it a little bit. Now just use the back of the hacksaw. There you go. As you can see, just try to stick it. Now, if I had another hand, I would have hold the tumbler so it doesn't pop out. But I got no hand here, so you're gonna see it's gonna pop out. There you go. Pop out, and there's the shaft. There's the shaft. I've replaced that shaft already. Anyway, the car turns, everything's okay, but for you to change that shaft, I don't know. I've tried taking it out before, couldn't do it, but after drilling the hole down here, like I saw in the other YouTube video. Drill the hole there. I took out the spring where it locks the steering wheel. So after I took that spring out, I could just easily take that shaft out. Yeah. So this is an unbroken shaft. So that fixed the problem. Anyway, you guys, just hopefully this helps. So good luck and enjoy.